How to determine if the project is successful or not? Which factors should be measured? How to measure those benefits? The project benefits management plan describes various metrics. Traditionally, time, cost, scope, and quality metrics were considered to determine the project's success. But lately, there has been more focus on financial measures. The most common ones are net present value, NPV, internal rate of return, IRR, return on investment, ROI, payback period, PBP, and benefit cost ratio, BCR. In this video, I will talk about the net present value. So let us take an example first. If someone makes $80,000 this year and is going to earn $80,000 next year, is that person earning the same or less next year? Your answer should be earning less. Why? Because of inflation, the money will lose its value. The $80,000 earned next year will be of lesser value in today's money. The present value of the $80,000 from next year will be less than $80,000. The present value can be determined using the formula shown. In the formula, PV is present value, FV is future value, I is the discount rate, and N is the number of years. The I value can be the inflation rate or rate based on opportunity cost, and sometimes the finance department of the organization establishes the rate. So now in the salary example, FV is 80,000, N is 1 year, say inflation is 2%, so I is 2%. By solving, the present value or PV is 78,432. So the present value of $80,000 that the person will make next year is 78,432. We can also say that when this person or what this person can buy with 78,432 this year can be bought for 80,000 next year. Say the salary remains at 80,000 for next 3 years. By putting N as 3, the PV comes to 75,385. So you can see that the later it is, the lesser the present value of the money. This is true for both revenue and expenses. So collecting revenues earlier and delaying expenses is the ideal approach. Net present value is the difference between the present value of all the revenues and the present value of all the expenses. A positive NPV means the project will be profitable, and negative NPV means the project will result in a loss. Higher the NPV, the better it is. Say 3 projects A, B, and C have NPVs of 300,000, 200,000, and 150,000 respectively. The project with the highest NPV should be taken up. That will be project A. Another example. For a project, the sum of the present value of revenues is 500,000 and the sum of expenses is 200,000. The net present value will be 500,000 minus 200,000, that is plus 300,000. This is the net present value of the project.